Mechanical filter media prevents finer filter media from clogging. Solid ceramic rings trap large and medium solid particles. Works to prevent clogging of finer filter modules. Helps reduce the replacement frequency of filter media. Ideal for medium and coarse filtration in freshwater and saltwater aquariums. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I was looking for. We inherited a small ornamental pond when we bought our new house. Unfortunately, the power was disconnected before we took possession and the fish in the pond died. We were rather disheartened and got busy with moving in and unpacking. By the time we got around to messing with the pond, it was winter and extremely funky. I wanted a fresh start with spring, so I completely emptied and cleaned it and the pump really well with bleach water. Of course, we never had a pond before, so knew nothing of opening or maintaining. Inside the pump, there were these ceramic bead-like things. Several of them were cracked in half or in several pieces. After a lot of research, I finally figured out what they were and what their purpose was. And realized soaking them in bleach water was a big no-no. These Fluval biomedia are almost identical to the original ones in our pump. The only difference I can tell are those were rounded and these are slightly squared off. They work and appear to do a great job in filtering the pond along with the additional layers of media. Very pleased with the product and felt the price was very reasonable.